So hello guys. So this video is about why I don't like Chetan Bhagat.
Pikachu?
Here's a pic of him if you don't know. Wait a minute to change the pic. Yeah, here he is. Well, I don't like Chetan Bhagat at all, especially his writing. Now, many people ask me that why on my Insta, on my WhatsApp. Many of my friends are asking that I read this book and that book. So why are you saying him bad? Now, first, the initially what he wrote was wonderful, but many into reading was a hot cake in the market. So everyone just grabbed it out. Okay. But the problem started with his later books like Revolution 2020. When I read it, it was an awesome book. Believe me, it gave me a bit of thrill and everything. Like whatever a well-written book should have, it had those. But the problem started when I read half of Half Girlfriend, so it becomes Quarter Girlfriend. Like why? Like from even the first page you will not at all like, because like you will not like the whole book, but there are like plots where like you just feel like just let me throw this book out, and I was about to throw, but then I suddenly realized that this can be a good gifting option and I can just go to a party and just have some food. So why to waste that? So the main thing with Chetan Bhagat is basically, first, his books aren't well researched. He just writes on topic, just like there's no depth. He doesn't research it up to the depth. He just writes it on the surface. Well, you need to know the thing perfectly. You need to research. Even before making this video, before putting up my opinion, I searched what other critics say about him, right? So you of course need a proper research for making any kind of video, and you're just writing a book, man. What the heck? You're writing a book and you haven't even well researched. Well, that's one thing. Second, from the first of Half Girlfriend, in all of his books there's extreme objectification of women, but in Half Girlfriend it's reached its peak. Like there was a line, like there were many lines. I just can give you examples of hundreds of them. Believe me, there are loads of them. But in Half Girlfriend, from the first page he starts that and treats women as a sexual objects of sexual desire and nothing else. Like why? Like it's okay if you just want to portray a thing negatively, but why always? Like means he just treats women like them, like this is the object of plastic or something like that. Well, it's really sucking to read about that. And then the problem is there was a line of Quarter Girlfriend which just Half Girlfriend, sorry, which literally pissed me off, brought to my nerves, and it was like deti hai to de varna kat le. Well, what? This is what you say to your girlfriend? Really? There's a mutual understanding. There's a mutual, and you just know what the other feels. There's nothing going on in the character's mind, no character development, same writing style from the first to last, extremely predictable. You bring nothing out of the blue, which should be there in a romantic novel. For example, many romantic novels are there, like Wuthering Heights, or even in Romeo and Juliet there is a graph of this thing. You just know what it flows like, right? In his book there is a graph, but there's no character development. For example, even in Harry Potter books, the Harry is at first immature, then he becomes slowly mature, and then everything happens. But in his book there's literally no character development from the first to last. Nothing, no change. There's nothing going on the boy's mind, nothing on the girl's mind. Everything is as supposed to happen. You just seem to guess it right. Everything goes on his flow. And the problem is he's this attitude that I'm the greatest. Bro, you're not the greatest, believe me. And even if you are the greatest, you should support criticism. You just don't take criticism constructively. There are hell lot of videos on YouTube which says that why we shouldn't treat Chetan Bhagat or what are the bad things of Chetan Bhagat. Well, you just can see those videos, you can research it on the web. You have reviews on Goodreads, but no, you just don't give a damn. So that's my main problem. I'm not saying each and every book of him is bad. The later ones which came are really pathetic to read. I was just about to throw the book, as I said before. So this was my problem with Chetan Bhagat. So if he doesn't give a damn to writing style. He won't develop anything. He won't write it constructive. He doesn't take constructive criticism. Like constructively, he doesn't take criticism at all. He doesn't want to develop his writing style. No character development. Treating women as extremely physical possession or physical, like sexual desirous objects. This is really bad, believe me. Like this is really bad. What you can see is in all of his books. So this was my problem with Chetan Bhagat. If you like this video, like if you are liking or if you match to whatever I say, just like. If you don't match, please don't dislike it and comment down below. I always open comments for constructive criticism. And shout out Anirban sir, who is my actual English teacher, who actually criticized my last video of romantic books, because yeah, I missed out many things, but the thing is, I'm a reader, right? I'm a reader, I'm learning slowly. I haven't read that much of books, but whatever I have read, I said in those. Of course, what he said will be into my consideration and will be done. This video by, yeah, I was planning of a Q&A in this 250 subscribers, like when it completes. So you can drop the questions in the comment box. I read your comments and really they make my day. So yeah, that's it. Bye for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.